Hello Yellow! Today I'm making a basil pesto veg pasta. I had no choice but to do it eventually. The kids and their friends begged me to make this one. So I'm going to do a fresh basil pesto. But if you're going to use a store-bought one, please use the fresh one. It's just way better. How to make fresh homemade basil pesto. Step 1. 2 cups fresh basil. 3 garlic cloves, half a cup Parmesan cheese, I've got more, pine kernels, salt and pepper, obviously herbamare, Italian herbs, gradually add half a cup of olive oil. Decided to add half a lemon juice. Giving it a taste. Oh my word, it's delicious. Remember, if you want to keep it in the fridge, to add a little bit more olive oil on top of it so it doesn't go green brown. Spring onions. Leeks, exotic mushrooms, peppers. Oops, this one arrived a little bit broad. I'll see what I can save. Yellow, this is so quick and easy. You can use any veg. I'm just putting a little bit of olive oil in my pan, spring onions and leeks, peppers. I couldn't use the red one. Exotic mushrooms. I'm going to use the oil of the sun-dried tomatoes, and I'm going to cut the sun-dried tomatoes so there's more. But I'm going to use the oil. I'll cut them once they're there. It's so easy. Look at that. Giving it a spice, salt and pepper, herbamare, baby spinach, I normally make the sauce in a little saucepan, but I'm going to try just using everything in one pot. Basil pesto, fresh cream, linguine thyme, olive oil, boiling water, just a tad. Yella, this is so easy. I actually feel guilty. Maybe half an hour. Pasta all cooked. Add that to your veg basil pesto sauce business. And just start mixing it through. And the kids love this. They also take it to school in their lunch boxes. Dishing up time. My kids enjoy this so much, they have it cold at school the next day. Stefan, my son's friend, I'm sending you a lunchbox tomorrow to school. Now, I'm first doing my plate. Freshly chopped chili and garlic, a little bit of coriander. I always love my coriander. Maybe a basil leaf or two. Parmesan. And this is gonna go well with Anders Chenin Blanc. Nice veg pasta, white wine, summer days. Cheers.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe below.